welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today's video we're getting right on into the nails. If you saw my previous video to this one, then you know that I received some products from Born Pretty, and I used about 3 of those products in the previous video, and this one I'm using the remaining 2. So my nails are already done. They're actually done with, I think this was a polygel overlay I did, but anyway, going into the first color I'm using is called Grape, and this is listed as MY270 on the Born Pretty website in case you want to check it out. But look at this color, y'all. I haven't even activated the metallic particles in it quite yet. Look what it looks like without doing a thing. You see that color shift? I know you see it. And watch this, watch this, watch this. Yes, it's so beautiful. Do you love cat eye gel polishes as much as I do? I know I'm not the only one. It's just I can't get enough of them. It doesn't matter what color combination I use with cat eye gels. They are wonderful. And Born Pretty, oh my goodness, they have so many. So if you haven't already checked out Born Pretty, or if you have and you just, you want to add to your collection, make sure you look in the description box, click on my affiliate link. That will take you right on into the Born Pretty store, and lets Born Pretty know that I, sent you right on over to help you shop a little, use my discount code OlenaRosanne. But on days where they have wonderful sales, like they've had their Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales, make sure you use whatever special code that I list either in my video or in the description box, because let me tell you, those sales be selling. Okay, so anyway, after I'm done with that color, I'm going to go in with the other color that I have here, which is called Sunset Gaze, and the code on that is MY231. Yes, and I'm about to go in with it right now. Okay, so as I'm painting this on my nails, you already see what's about to go down. Just you have a preview of what's about to go down, because look at the color shift in it, the sparkle. You see the blue, but wait a minute, is that some gold too? What is that? Yeah, you'll see. Watch what I do with the magnet, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this video is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go ahead, go in with 1 coat of the cat eye gels on each finger, and then I'm just going to go in with the second coat. Really didn't need that second coat, but you know what? I just want to add a little bit more dimension to the nail, depending on which way my finger goes, you'll see something else. So it's nice. Okay. And on the, I think it's the middle nail, I'm going to use both colors in a little squiggle wiggle design. Yeah, I'm just making up words, but you'll see what I'm talking about. You can kind of see it on my middle finger where I already started it, but watch what you see, what happens when I do 2 different coats of both colors on that middle nail, and you see like 4 or 5 different colors in one. Watch. You'll see. Just hold on. Don't skip through the video so you don't miss it, okay? And on my ring finger, I'm going to put some roses on it that I got from Nails by Letitia. I think it was her giveaway, and she sent me over some roses, and the ring finger is going to have roses on it, and some gold caviar beads. Okay, so anyway, just go ahead and watch, relax, listen to the music, and I will meet y'all at the end. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I I really don't know what you're doing, because I know you have came to my channel before. You have looked at some videos, you've seen some posts, and you've seen some YouTube shorts, but for some reason you haven't subscribed yet. I don't get it. I truly don't get it. I mean, I'm trying to figure out. Maybe I need to feel your forehead to see if you okay. But if you are okay, go ahead and subscribe, okay? Go ahead and subscribe. Won't cost you nothing. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Hype your girl up if you would like. Yes. If you think, you know, this nail set is kind of cute and, you know, you might try it, you know, hype your girl up. And make sure you leave me a comment, okay? Leave me a comment if you're new to my channel and let me know that you're there. That way I know who my audience is besides my OGs who always support my videos, and you know who you are. So anyway, let me be quiet for a little bit. We'll cut on some music and I'll see you at the end. Okay, roses, you can see I added some roses, of course. So we're about at the end. You know, this is a very simple set. The hardest thing was putting on the caviar beads and all that stuff. Other than that, it's really, really simple. Let me know if you'll try something like this. Let me know if you subscribed, if you're new, so I can shout you out. But look at this. You see what I'm talking about in that middle nail? How many different colors do you see? Let me know in the comments, okay? And if you haven't taken advantage of Born Pretty Cyber Monday, Black Friday sales, or any sales I have throughout the year, this is the time to do it. Go ahead and get you some good prices on some good gel products and other nail items, okay? And yeah, that's it, y'all. That's it. That's all. Look at this. It's so pretty. So pretty. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.